Probably some of you are still figuring out on how to connect your Super Bong to your Wyth app. That's why for today, I'll be demonstrating to you on how to connect your Super Bong version 2 to your iPhone. Of course, first thing that you should do is to download Wyth app to your phone. Once it's already downloaded, register yourself. Then, select your concert, Super Junior Super Show 8 World Tour. Then you can see there Super Junior Soul, then your profile, Super Junior Wyth, then remember Super Show 8, concert preparation registration, no registered devices. Even though you click concert preparation registration several times, still you cannot access it. Simply because your current date and time is not synced with the actual date and time of Super Show 8 in Seoul. So in order to sync the date and time of your phone to the actual date and time in Seoul, click Settings, then click General, click Date and Time, and then disable Set Automatically. Then change date to October 12th. That is the first day of their concert. And change the time to 7 o'clock p.m. You also have to change the time zone to Seoul, South Korea. Now, once that you have already changed the date and time, go back to your Wyth app, and then again select Concert Super Junior. And then there you can see already Super Junior Seoul, your profile, and then Super Junior Wyth, Super Show 8 Seoul, Korea D-Day. And this time, you can now access concert preparation registration. So there. Next, enter seat number, register a concert date, October 12, 7 o'clock, and then choose your seat. So I selected floor 2, zone 01, row 12, column 001. And then click next. Then it will lead you to choice stick. Please select the cheerleading tool you have, Super Junior version 2, Super Junior version 1. So I have Super Junior version 2 SJ Official Fanlight version 2.0. And then you will be led to device connection. Turn on the Bluetooth mode by double-click the power button and place the fan light next to your phone. And then connect. So there. So device connection completed. Please check if the color of the fan light changes like the screen. So there. So this time you can enjoy more listening to Super Junior songs with your light stick. This has been Filingярang Vlogger Momshie.